How to make no one can see your following list on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your following list on TikTok. Now, first open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner. Now click these three lines here in the top corner and now click privacy and then click following list. And that's it. Now once you're here, just click only me. Now no one can see your following list. It's easy. And then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.